Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
But unfortunately, it was bad. What went wrong basically?
Actually, it's a teamwork. So for me, I can't say something went wrong. It's a game of football. We wanted, as we say, it's a target. In the season that we want to keep as much as a lot of clean sheets. But we tried our best. We did our best together. We worked together. But another day we conceded, and then we'll go back. We just try and work harder so that in the subsequent games we'll try to get a clean sheet.
What coach consultant? Well, I think you brought on Ivan Sadomako. At some point, you brought Osman Ibrahim, but yet still your defenders were passing the ball at the back. Was it a system of play, or they were not listening to what you said?
No, we didn't. All we needed, start by using the balls to the opponent. We needed to build from the back, and keep possession and give that pass at the right time. Then it worked for a couple of times. When we came in the second half, we were really controlling the game until they equalized. The strikers came on because we also wanted to win the game. So we took that risk, but just that the risk didn't pay off. But that is football. Sometimes you risk it and you could have lost, but we also wanted to win, so we brought on strikers.
That was the system.
Sorry?
That was the system.
Yeah, from 4-3-3 we came to 4-4-2 and tried to push to win, but it just didn't work.
Coach, thank you very much for your time. I'm your TV. Coach, 3 goalkeepers, Felix and Kwame about incredible save by penalty. Are you convinced that it's going to be your number one?
Yeah, I don't think it's 3 goalkeepers. They are all good at the right time. Whoever is doing well will be in the post. And I think we all saw what he did today. So why not? Keep playing.
Coach, 9 new signings. How difficult is it to get them to gel, as management will also be demanding results? Commercially, they are winning the battle off the field, but you need to boost it on the field. How difficult would it be for you to get those number of players to gel?
It's difficult. I mean, the first game of the season, gelling together is not easy. We need time, but unfortunately we don't have time. So I hope we'll play much better in the coming games than this one. And I urge my supporters to keep calm. We will play much better than we saw today. We have a couple of injuries in camp. That is why we couldn't, bring on board everybody. So we're managing the situation, but those who play today, they did their best, even though we know it's just not enough. But in the coming games, we make sure that we play much better than we did today.
Coach, your opponent coach just told us that they were resilient. That's why they earned the point. And you have also admitted that this game was difficult. Did you expect this level of difficulty?
Yes, because 11 wonders have been playing well against us. Not even this season, not even last season. Previous ones, it was almost the same. We've beaten them 3 in France, I think 2 seasons ago. And after that, they've been playing very well. We know that they were coming to play and they are motivated already to play against Kotoko. And now that people think we have too many stars, they come and they also want to show what they have. That is football. We only need to make sure that we win every game. And that is what we wanted to do today. But going forward, we've learned a lot of lessons out of this. Come to the dressing room and see as if we've lost the game. But we keep telling them that it's football, it's the first match. It happens.